Hi, friends. Welcome to a typical day in my household. So, this is basically what my house looks like. My house is under construction. So, I didn't know renovating a house was so expensive. As you can see, my roof and everything upside down. That's the outside of my yard, Kaya. It's my house from the outside. Then I share a house with my sister. So, that's a door right there. Hey, I do most of the work in the house, and now that I'm not working, well, it's all I can do. So I'm doing dishes there, and you'll see my bodyguards are like sitting there watching me do the dishes. There's Piggy and Lucy, Mama. Love my dogs. Because I'm still living a simple life. There's nothing hectic, nothing fake about me. This is me washing the dishes. This is how I wash my dishes. This is do most of my things. This is my house. I love being me. I love doing my own things. I wash my own shoes. No, I'm not lazy. Not lazy at all. But my husband does the washing of my shoes properly, but I can do it myself. Yebo, sisebenzisa amabhakede. Yebo, sisebenzisa amabhakede. What's wrong with the little packet? Oh, that's my sister's son, Unjabulo. He just wanted to be featured in my vlog. He's busy asking me a million questions. Look, he's even standing behind me. Hey! Naye fashionista ilast yam. This girl uthanda izinto. My child likes things. Since I've been doing fit checks and like thing is she also like did her own vlog and she's got her own YouTube page, YouTube channel. Please support, guys. Ke thato yaka, eh. Okay, I also offer laundry services. So there's a client while I was like cleaning and preparing my day, came through and said, please can you wash my blankets? Thank you, Andrew. Those are his blankets there. Oh, okay. So a typical blanket like that is like 150 because these are like heavy blankets. And then Namajuvetu Akelawa, like his things for the bedroom and stuff. And then while I was doing Andrew's thing, another client came and said, can I do their washing? Which is like, as you can see, about people's clothes. Thank you guys for coming through and supporting. I really appreciate it. You never sit. You use the things that God has used you. Okay, guys, before you come at me, amanzi bawaphuma slow, so I couldn't wait. Angeke ilaundry yami stop because of amanzi while I Alexander. No, 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 never. Never. Oh, these are my kids. Ngithi bangisize bhekani bayenzani babhizi ngama-content awazi ukuthi bayenzani bhekani bhekani celani babheke bhekani bhekani. Look at these two. That's me ngithela amanzi lapha angithi abafuna ukungisiza, so I have to do everything myself. But Kitty best fell. Yes, girl is still looking good after giving birth 3 times. Never if I've got a mommy pouch. I've always had a mommy pouch, but yeah. Yeah, and the boobs are not boobing anymore, but I love my boobs. I love being a mom. My body's been through a lot, but it's still doing the most. Yeah, I'm doing the laundry. I'm still doing Andrew's things. Telabanzi ngamaphakethe. Say Alexander, what can we say? You water shedding, guys. Yenzeni. Ngimisa imali. Ngoba no, yabona clean, girl clean. So come through, but support. Chabang load line like it jwang. Yo, I'm sure the people in my yard were so pissed. Hey, best, best. Give me best fall. Thank you so much for everyone that has come through. Batong ning support. Ningaphela amandla abantu base-Alex. Please continue to support your girl, your go, your everything, your makhelwane, your enemy. Give me best. I love what I do and I do it with meticulous attention. I'm still pouring water because there's still more to be done. Yeah, 2 packets. Believe it or not. Believe it or not. Yes. Okay. See? Ki laundry fell. Kiri best bonan. Kiri best. Kiri best fall. Okay, yeah, I didn't have a cameraman, so I had to put my camera down. Ngizenzele manje content. Angithi abantwana bami bayangibalekela. Bayabaleka labantu. Abasafuna ukungisiza. Oh, le bhakede guys vele isinda. I could feel now that my arms were getting painful. But the hustle doesn't stop. Yo, mina ngithanda imali. Yabona ngiphelele ngithi best. Yes, sesiyawulayida manje umshini. Yes, bonana. Kiri best. Yabona mina njengoba ngiyihasla nendoda yami iyihasla. Yabona namhlanje bekasusa i-box. Ngikhathele le box leli libhizi kuma-background wami. Mengithatha ama-selfie nama-content. Ngithe ngicela lisusa yolibeka somewhere else. Mina ngabona umgodi osele la. But I trust my husband. Yabona? ubhelu handyman yami mina angicasha abantu no uyabona nale microwave leya ilungise nalo mshini abhizi ngawo la ulungise ungamind very ngami most of the time futhi ikamera lami nje liphela li-upside down that's why kumele likliniwe every day. Ngiyawuza abanye abantu bathi aba-clean every day but no mina it's a must. Look at this sexy bum. Sexy, sexy. I like your flow. Yabona kunjani? Yabona sika-shift sibilethe ngapha manje. Izohlala lana until sibone ukuthi senzani ngayo. Yes, as tall as he is, he needs to climb on a chair. No, ningawari guys. Ngiyazi indlu yami nibona imadliphhliphi. This won't last forever. It won't. Kwamanje, I'm still piecing my life together. And ngilahlekele umsebenzi. So, yeah, we're doing the best we can. Yambona? Sebenzisa ummesi wasekitchen. Angeke nimenze next no damn. But to use what the Almighty gave. Yabona ngikhuluma naye ngithi Mr. Electrician uthi wena wabhora watsip. Aha. Kiripay. Yes, so if you need like an electrician yomkokotelo or no, nina ningafuna amaphepha but nifuna umuntu owaziyo uNkulunkulu amnika izandla, this is the man for you. Uyapenda nokupenda shem. Bhekani sexy palms ngiyazuma zuma out uzongikwatela makabona le vlog. I'm so dead. Anyway, I know people won't watch it till the end, but it's fine, guys. It's fine. I was just showing you like a typical day or a typical week in my house. In Ram Ipila Ipis. In Ram Ipila Ipis. Okay, Bolavi. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.